Welcome students. In this problem, we have total 900 students. Among them, 540 attended the cultural fest and 420 attended the sports meet, while 210 students attended neither. We are to find the total number of students who attended both and also the total number of students who attended exactly one. So, first step is to draw the Venn diagram. Suppose this is the set C, that means total number of students who attended the cultural fest, and this is the total number of students who attended the sports meet. Now, cardinality of C is 540 and cardinality of AC is 420. Also, total student is 900. Now, for the first problem, that is how many students attended both, we have to find this intersecting region. So, in this problem, we have the 210 attended neither. So, total number of students who did not attend any event is, if we subtract this 210 from 900, then we will get the total number of students who attended either of the or at least one of the event. That means this region outside the two circles represent the total number of students who did not attend any event. So this is 210. That means, sorry, it will be total students who attended any of the events. Okay, so total students who attended any of the events is 900 minus 210, that is equals to 690. Now we have to find this intersecting region. So what we know that C union S, that means union of two sets, is equal to set C plus set S minus intersection of set C and S. This is the required region. So if we just change the side of this element C intersection S, then we will get C plus S minus C union S. Sorry, C union S. So we have cardinality of C is 540, cardinality of S is 420, minus C union S. C union S means this C union is 690. That means total number of students attended at least one of the event. Now subtracting this, we will get 540 plus 420 minus 690, that gives us 270. So 270 students attended both. That means this intersecting portion contains 270 students. Now next is how many attended exactly one. So if we want to find the total number of students who attended exactly one, that means we have to find this dotted region, because this whole C circle shows the total number of students who attend the cultural fest. If we subtract this intersecting portion from C, then we will get C minus C intersection S gives us only C, that means only cultural fest. So total number of students attended cultural fest is 540 minus 270, that is equal to 270. So total 270 students attended only the cultural fest. Again, total number of students attended only sports is this dotted region. Similarly, S minus C intersection S gives us only S. So putting the value, we will get 420 minus 270. 420 minus 270, that is equals to 150. So total 150 students attended only sports meet. So total number of students attend exactly one students attended exactly one event equals to sum of this two, 270 plus 150, that is equals to 420. So total 420 students attended exactly one. So this is the way we have to solve this type of problem. I think it is clear to all of you. If you like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.